Hello.
Morning, sir. How's your son?
My mom was doing just fine, and the doctor said that it was just a mild disease, but I didn't really thinking this problem with it. The bill was very high, and I've been really working hard to pay that bill. I just don't know what to do.
Oh, that's so sad to hear, sir. I just want you to know that just pray and don't lose hope, and everything will be alright.
Thank you so much, mom.
Morning, mom. How are you today? Morning, girls. I'm fine. How about you? I'm fine. Thank you. Have a good day. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss Jola.
Okay, take a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
We all know that we have our quiz today. And before we start our quiz, let's do a recap. And who can recall our topic that we discussed yesterday? Okay, Ms. Pacquiao.
Our topic yesterday is all about alternative energy resources, ma'am. And the examples are solar energy, biogas energy, wind energy, geothermal energy.
Okay, thank you. So, I think you are ready. So, may I request everyone to please get one sheet of paper so we can start our yes. Okay, may I request Ms. Pacquiao to please facilitate the class because I will be go out for a while for some reason.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, class.
Hi, Ma'am Trisha. I got you this gift to say thank you for everything.
Thank you, Alex. Sorry, but as a professional teacher, I cannot accept gifts from students.
Oh, I didn't know. I just wanted to show my real appreciation.
I just want to tell you that according to the Code of Ethics, Article 8, it is important to maintain professional boundaries and avoid accepting gifts from students.
I am sorry for not knowing the rule, Ma'am Trisha.
No need to apologize, Alex. Your dedication to learning is the best gift you can give.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Sumaoy.
I just want to ask questions about my child's performance.
Okay, take a seat and let's talk about your child's progress.
May I ask how is my child doing in class?
Your child shows enthusiasm and progress in learning.
Oh, that's great. How to support his learning actually.
Encourage reading and provide him a quiet study place.
I will do that. Thank you for your guidance, ma'am.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Good morning, teachers. We gather you all today because I would like to congratulate all of us here for the successful of our Educators Days 2024 with the theme Learning for Lasting Peace. With the leadership, presence, and dedication, this event won't be possible. Congratulations.
A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. A is for elephant. Very good.